The southern entrance to the HighLine is located next to the Whitney Museum. They are both at the intersection of Gansevoort Street and Washington Street. And here's how to get there. Take any subway line that has a stop at 14th Street. Any of these lines will work. The A, C, E, 1, 2, 3, F, M, 4, 5, 6, W, R, Q, N, and L train all have stops at 14th Street. The closer you are to 8th Avenue, the shorter will be your walk. Add a little local flavor to your walk by walking west on 14th Street. Here's what it looks like between 5th and 6th Avenue as you walk west. And here's what it looks like between 6th and 7th Avenue as you continue to walk west on 14th Street. And here's what it looks like between 6th and 7th Avenue, which is where we just started, but it's kind of an interesting street, especially that wall. So keep walking west, you're doing fine. And if you happen to get off the train at 7th, here's your walk on West 14th Street between 7th and 8th Avenue. Take in the local flavor and keep heading west. And now we're at 8th Avenue. And this is what it looks like as you keep walking west between 8th and 9th Avenue. Just keep on walking west on 14th Street. And now we come to an intersection where lots of street work's being done. That's the Apple computer store right now. And right now we're looking between 9th and 10th Avenue. We're almost there. Washington Street is right here. It's in the middle between 9th and 10th Avenue. I'm hanging a left, and a little note that Gansevoort, which is where we want to go, is just 3 blocks south of where you're looking. There's the Whitney way in the distance. That's where the HighLine starts. If for some reason you prefer to enter the HighLine on 14th Street, instead of making a left at Washington, just walk straight ahead and you'll see some steps. Of course, you're going to cut off a little piece of the walk along the HighLine if you enter here. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.